Hi folks, I'm Tom McCoubry here at Airstream in Scarborough. Beside me, I have a 2025 Airstream Interstate Grand Tour in all-wheel drive and with the E1 package. I'll explain more about both of those features and more here in just a second. But first, let's take a walk around the exterior and show you some of the options and features. All right, we're going to walk around the exterior and I'll show you some of the features and options on this one. This is Tannerite Gray. It is a new color for Airstream this year. It is a dark, medium to dark gray. Coming down, you'll see the nice chrome wheels, front and rear, and you'll see this is a 25-foot Grand Tour, so you'll see it is built on the Sprinter dually chassis. It is 24 feet 6 inches. Again, really nice chrome wheels, front and back. You'll see I have all these doors open for us. This just shows you the different systems. Right here is your water. So you'll see the different settings: tank fill, dry camping, inlet for the water, city water. We now go to the right. You'll see you've got controls for the valves as well as for the wastewater pumps, some service lights, a bunch of other things in there. And we've got outdoor shower, so we do have hot and cold water running on the exterior. And then down here is our wastewater management system. So we pull that out. That is a self-contained hose, all on an electric reel. You control that right up here with the rightmost control in there. Coming back towards the rear, you'll see you do have a little exhaust down here. That little exhaust is for the diesel heat. This does have a Timberline heat system, which runs on diesel. It also is for your hot water. Coming back further, we've got the smart plug hookup. So that's your shore power. And then right beside that, you'll see a little black plug. That is for more solar. So you can put exterior solar or external solar on this. You do already have solar incorporated in the vehicle. Standard on all Airstream Interstates is solar. You'll see we do have the four sensors on the back. Those are parking sensors. I'll pop this open. You can take a look on the inside. You'll see some boxes in here. This is all things that come from the factory. You'll see we do have a decent amount of storage. We don't try not to open everything for our customers. As a nice little look from the rear into the cabin. We'll go in there in just a second. Here is your hose for your external shower, your outdoor shower. Then coming around the passenger side, we do have more solar hookups, as well as you've got GFI protected plugs and a cable outlet. So you can hook up a TV. Up top there, you'll see we do have a wind sensing awning, as well as some lights. And then as we come down, we reach the entrance. We have a nice little parallel step there. And now let's go on the inside. As we come through the entrance, you will see your first of multiple Firefly system control panels in here. The LCD screen, it is a full touch screen. That's where you control all of your house systems in here. So you hit that, you see it is full touch screen. Right below that is your battery on off and your step hold to make the power step stay out with the door closed. These two seats here are complete swivel seats, so those will swivel around and go right to that workstation. You see right above that there is a TV. That is one of two TVs that come equipped on this Interstate. Right above that TV, we have our main control panel. You see, again, all touchscreen. And then the E1 package. The E1 is the battery system on this. The battery system is a 12,000 watt battery that can control and power everything for off-grid camping. Basically, as you see, we come down the galley, sink right here, and then induction cooktop, also powered through that battery, or shore power. Obviously, if you're hooked up, everything runs. Controls for our bed, so our three controls for our two ottomans and then the lounge go down. A ton of storage up top here. Then we have our AC. Again, AC runs right off of the battery. As we see down here, lounge and ottomans come together to make one large bed. You do see we have belts on the ottomans, so you can travel with more than just the 3 people you figure in the lounge. I'll open up some of these storage compartments back here. This is a rather large one with outlets on either side, or little cubbies. And I'll open again. This is all on the passenger side there. And that is a liquid soap dispenser in there that would get installed, if you so choose, into the bathroom. Again, more storage, pretty deep for whatever you may bring along your travels. And there's the last one. This is all on the galley side. Swinging back around, come over to the driver's side. These windows all have power shades, all controlled again through the Firefly system. In the back, you actually have a power blackout shade as well as a bug shade. Here's some of the storage above on the passenger side. This is your Timberline controls. I know there's a bit of a glare, but this controls your heat, hot water, and then this is another Firefly system, so if you're in bed, you can still control your lights and everything else, the whole house. Bed TV, so you have one out back here, so if you're lounging, you can actually still watch TV, and this does pull this little tab. This does swivel out, so you have the ability to swivel it and have multiple people watch. Now that we're going back towards the front, on the galley side, you do have a drawer-style microwave right here. And then back to the bathroom side, swivel around, pop this door open, and as you see, sink. The sink faucet doubles as your shower head. And then as we come around, you'll see toilet in the back. And then there's a shower curtain that does close and vents to vent out the moisture. Close that. All very ship-like with the windows and styling. Now coming towards the front, we have our refrigerator. Let's open it up. Nice residential style fridge, and then drawer style freezer here, all in stainless. And then on the Grand Tour, we actually have a cabinet which you can have hanging storage or shelves, and then these drawers do come out, and you can obviously store as a pantry or closed storage, whatever works best for you. And up to the front, you see you have full infotainment, all from Mercedes-Benz. The MBUX system, fantastic system. Same thing that's in the cars. And these do come very well equipped from Airstream. They check every box. So you've got power seats, heated seats, power door locks, power windows, power mirrors, adaptive cruise control. You've got the works. So yeah, take a look around. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Again, my name is Tom. I'm here at Airstream in Scarborough. My phone number is 207-510-2250.